The Eighth Habit by Stephen R. Covey. How many agree that the vast majority of the workforce in your organization possesses far more talent, intelligence, capability, creativity than their present jobs require? The eighth habit is to find your voice and inspire others to find theirs. As I have studied and interviewed some of the world's great leaders, I noticed that their sense of vision and voice has usually evolved slowly. When you are inspired by some great purpose, some extraordinary project, all your thoughts break their bounds. Your mind transcends limitation. Your consciousness expands in every direction and you find yourself in new, great and wonderful world. When the infrastructure shifts, everything rumbles. The top software developers are more productive than average software developer. Not by a factor of 10x or 100x or even 1000x, but by 10,000x. Most ailing organizations have developed a functional blindness to their own defects. They are not suffering because they cannot solve their problem, but because they cannot see their problem. Top people wanted to learn of their ideas, how they accomplished so much. The culture was drawn to their vision and to them. The path to greatness unleashes and realizes human potential. Here is an important sentence from this book. If you were to ask what one idea was more practical, most relevant, I would answer quickly without any reservation that we are free to choose. Back of every noble life, there are principles. For the body, assume you have had a heart attack. Now live accordingly. For the mind, assume the half-life of your profession is 2 years. Now prepare accordingly. For the heart, assume everything you say about another, they can overhear. Now speak accordingly. For the spirit, assume you have a one-to-one visit with your Creator every quarter. Now live accordingly. Leaders aren't born, they are taught. Vision is seeing a future state with the mind's eye. Vision is applied imagination. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Memory is past, it is finite. Vision is future, it is infinite. Vision is greater than history, greater than the emotional scars of the past. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Ego focuses on one's own survival, pleasure, and is selfishly ambitious. Here is my favorite sentence. Leadership is communicating to people their worth and potential so clearly that they come to see it in themselves. The most essential role of grandparents is to communicate in as many ways as possible the worth and potential of their children, great children clearly, that they really believe it and act on their belief. The key question is always, what is the best thing I can do under these circumstances? Give the world the best you have, and you may get hurt. Give the world your best anyway. Mother Teresa. 90% of all leadership failures are character failures. It is a greater compliment to be trusted than to be loved. Most of us have had years and years of training in reading, writing and speaking, but no more than about 5% of us have had more than 2 weeks of formal training in how to listen. Till now we covered 2 words, focus and execution. Focus deals with what matters most and execution deals with making it happen.